Hello traders, this is Mac Billion. Today is February 24, 2015 and let's talk about the market. I have 5 good ideas, 5 good setups that you need to put in your watch list right now. Let's start with Tesla. Tesla, I talk about this one because it was near resistance, but the major setup that I'm watching is this triangle wedge right here. If we break down right here, this one can easily go to Fibonacci 173 or the bottom of this downtrend channel, which is it will be around 160. DMI is bearish and is getting strong. I think price action here, if we break down right here, is gonna be like a stone. It's gonna move down easily like it did right here. So you can put a line right here, and as you break down, you can see that it got a momentum to the downside. So watch this triangle wedge if you didn't enter at the resistance, because this can be a good trade. Now let's talk about Costco. Costco is another good idea that I have. Look at this chart. This is a really strong bull, and I see that there was a correction right here, a little pullback, because there was a little divergence on DMI, but I'm thinking that that correction is over, and this is setting up for a nice move to 167. That's my target. Now there is reports coming March 5th, so you have to be careful there, since we don't know what the company is going to report. But I think if we enter right here, we can get a nice run to 154 or 160 before earnings report. So keep an eye on this one. Now let's talk about another one, Micro Technologies. This is another one that I have to put in my watch list, but this one is different. This one is ready to break down. What will be my enter and key level? The key level is 27.87. You see the support here is right there, support. Every time it goes here, it bounces. So, but the DMI is bearish and strong, and I see a lot of volume every time it goes down. So if you break down right here, you can easily go to 23 or probably to the 20s. Micro Technology is bearish at this point. Now let's talk about First Solar. First Solar, you can see here, it move up, it gap up, and I'm thinking to enter long if you break out the 59 level. This level right here, let me zoom this out. So if you break out right here, this level, it will be a nice gap and go, and this thing can go to the 70s easily. Remember, First Solar used to be a nice strong stock, but somehow it was batch out, and it was breaking down all the time. But this could be the beginning of a nice run to the 70s. So keep an eye on key level 59. The last one, I don't like this stock, but price is king always. I don't like Twitter, but right here you can see it break out this triangle wedge, and it's right here, Fibonacci 48.76. That's the key number. DMI is bullish and strong, and I think this can move easily to the 60s. So keep an eye on Twitter, because this breakout is nicely. Sometimes when you have a breakout on a triangle wedge, what it does is it move up, it goes, retest, and go. So that will be a nice setup. Keep an eye on Twitter. This is everything for today. Trade on.